Kamusta? Narito ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 na nagaganap sa bansang China. As of September 24, 2023, 11 p.m., China 20 gold, 7 silver, 3 bronze. South Korea 5 gold, 4 silver, 5 bronze. Japan 2 gold, 7 silver, 5 bronze. Hong Kong 2 gold, 0 silver, 5 bronze. Uzbekistan 1 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. Chinese Taipei 1 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. India 0 gold, 3 silver, 2 bronze. Indonesia 0 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze. Mongolia 0 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Iran 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Kazakhstan 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. United Arab Emirates 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Vietnam 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Macau, China 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Philippines 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. North Korea 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Thailand 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games: Afghanistan, Bahrain, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, East Timor, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lebanon, Malaysia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Syria, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan at Yemen. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.